5 Best VGA Cables in 2019. We are going to check out top 5 best VGA cables in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this VGA cables, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
UGREEN VGA SVGA HD15 male-to-male video coaxial monitor cable with ferrite cores, gold-plated connectors, support 1080p Full HD for projectors, HDTVs, displays and more VGA-enabled devices. VGA cable enables you to connect a VGA-equipped computer or laptop to a monitor or projector or TV with 15-pin VGA port, also known as HD15, DE15. For streaming video and playing games, compatible with all VGA female port XP devices. Please note it is VGA SVGA male-to-male 15-pin cable, do not compatible with DVI-D or S232 cable. Integrated ferrite core, the SVGA cable equipped with ferrite core that could minimize crosstalk, avoid electrical radiation interference and protect against electromagnetic interference, and radio frequency interference, RFI, high 1080p resolution, VGA to VGA cable.
Top 4.
Full HD 1080p computer monitor VGA cable 10 feet with dual ferrite cores, standard 15-pin male-to-male VGA wire. 10 feet long VGA to VGA cable, male-to-male, connects desktop PC laptop to projector monitor and other video display system with 15-pin port. 15-pin connector computer wire M with alfoil shielding and dual ferrite cores to protect against RFI interference. Computer monitor cord for desktop is with nickel-plated connectors and bare copper conductors to enhance cable performance. Heavy-duty SVGA video cable with interconductor, 3x coax, RGB, plus 6 sync lines for high-quality video signal transmission. The sub-cable ends with screws in to ensure a strong connection. 3-meter-long computer extension wire enables LCD screen located in a convenient place.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 3.
5M ultra-thin flat-type computer monitor VGA cable, standard 15-pin male-to-male connector SVGA wire 16 feet, black. Thin VGA to VGA cable connects PC or laptop to the projector, LCD monitor, and any video display system with 15-pin VGA port. VGA wire with ultra-thin flat design. This flexible computer monitored cable, male-to-male, is ideal for applications where space is tight or for running under carpet over 15 feet. Gold-plated connectors resist corrosion and improve the signal performance. Cable shielding protects against RF interference. Bare copper conductors enhance cable performance. 15-pin VGA monitor cable for computers with interconductor, 3x coax, RGB, plus 6 sync lines for high-quality video signal transmission. Shield 16 feet, 5 meters, 15-pin USB cable and screw in to ensure a strong connection.
Top 2.
CableDeconn Active DVI-D Dual Link 24+1 male to VGA female video with flat cable adapter converter. High performance adapter, connects DVI-D enabled desktops and laptops, Lenovo, Dell, HP, Asus and other major branded systems, to VGA displays. High quality video, supports HDTV resolution up to 1080p at 60 Hz and PC graphics resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 at 60 Hz. Reliable connection, features quad shielded cable with PVC jacket for maximum video performance and prevention of signal loss. Easy plug-and-play installation, no driver or software installation required. 18-month worry-free warranty, 24 hours dedicated email customer support.
Top 1.
15 feet low-profile high-resolution VGA extension cable HD15M/F. Molded connector ends with strain relief. Ideal for high-resolution monitors, 1024 by 768 and above. Impedance matched at 75 ohms for full brightness and vibrant picture color. Ideal for high-resolution monitors, 1024 by 768 and above.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.